Resilience is our ability to overcome adversity, handle setbacks, and come up with creative solutions to challenges. It's an essential skill for both employees and entrepreneurs, but how do we develop greater resilience? Well, in this course, we'll learn how using mindfulness. Mindfulness is the ability to observe the present moment non-judgmentally. It allows us to manage our emotions, develop greater self-awareness so that we can make better, more objective decisions. In this course, we'll learn how to apply mindfulness to a range of skills that we need to be resilient. We'll look at stress management, problem solving, managing professional relationships, and self-care. And all of this will help us develop resilience in a workplace environment and in our wider lives too. We'll learn through videos, reading, practical exercises and quizzes, so however you learn, there will be something in this course for you. My name is Chris. I'm a psychologist and member of the British Psychological Society. I'm the author of the book Do More, Worry Less, among others. I've already taught over 100,000 students online, including some of my existing best-selling mindfulness courses, and I would love for you to be the next member of our student community. If all of that sounds good, then hit the buy now button to get started. I can't wait to see you inside the course.